Hello everyone, welcome to Dim's Kitchen Plus journey. Today I'm making some sautéed spinach with adding some other fruits and veggies. After watching, please like and comment on my video, and also please don't forget to subscribe to Dim's Kitchen Plus journey. So let's look at the ingredients. Here I have washed spinach. This is about 5 ounces, and I have put it into just to strain the water. And here I have some lime, carrots, grated carrots, some salt as per your taste, turmeric, chili pieces, garlic cut up into pieces, some unroasted curry powder, some cinnamon. This is white onion, like half of an onion, big onion. You can even use the red onion. This is mustard seeds, and this is some apples, 2 apples cut up. I chopped into small pieces like this, and then some tomatoes cut into bite-sized pieces like this. And also I'm using some olive oil. You can use any oil. So let's see how I'm gonna make it. So I'm gonna put the stove on into medium heat, and then I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon of oil. If you want, you can use more oil if you want. And then after about 30 seconds, I'm gonna add the mustard seeds. And then I'm gonna add the onion. And the garlic, the unroasted curry powder, chili pieces, and the cinnamon. And then I'm gonna mix it. For and then keep this for about 1 minute. And then I'm gonna put the turmeric and the salt. So I'm gonna stir it, and then I'm gonna add the carrots. This is about 4 carrots, grated, and also the tomato. And I'm gonna add apples also to this. And I'm going to stir it. After I cut up the apples, I put some lime juice onto that to prevent the discoloration. So again, I'm going to put some lime. Again. Lime. And stir it. And then at the end, I'm gonna put the spinach. It's a lot, but this is only 5 ounces of spinach. So I'm gonna keep this, and then I'm gonna close this for a while. Just for like a minute. So after a minute, just stir it. Normally spinach is very bit watery, so some water is gonna come out. So I'm gonna increase the heat for like a little bit more, not full heat, a little bit more than medium heat. So I'm gonna again keep this maybe another minute or about 2 minutes until the spinach is a little bit cooked. So after about 2 minutes, remove the lid, and then at this point you can check your salt, and if you need any more lime, you can add it. So I'm gonna switch it off right now and then stir it again. So this is my spinach sauteed with apples and carrots and other spices. Thank you for watching. I'll be here again with another delicious and healthy recipe. See you next time. Thank you again. Bye.